Yes, I won. How
Wait,
did I
what?
win?
How did you
Yes,
win?
I won. I won.
Wait, no.
I won. Yes.
How did you
Yes, I
win?
won. Yeah, you were busy.
I was busy with my.
Scott. Yeah, even I was not planning for that. Suddenly I won.
No! That's
Okay,
not.
let's play again, yeah? Okay,
You were-
guys, this is the one.
You were not
This is the
supposed to
one game-
win, or at least not win this early.
Yeah, but I'm Suhani's fan, so it's okay if I win.
No, no, no. Okay, I have to tell this to you guys before Adi Ban is here. I have to tell you guys. Guys, I changed my outfit thrice for this stream. I never really care about my outfits. मैं कोई भी top, कोई भी t-shirt, जो भी पहना होता है, मैं कुछ भी पहन के आ जाती हूँ. But today, I got ready for this stream. You see the scarf? Hey, I've got one more thing. Wait, how did I forget it? I also have a cap. Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, hi. Very happy that I'm finally here. I've been waiting for this stream since I was born. So, yeah, so very good. Special shout out to my sisters. They are like big fans of you and they really wanted me to come on your show. Okay, close your eyes. And
No,
just
no, no.
give
I'm
me
not
like
going.
30,
I'm not going to close.
30
my eyes.
seconds.
I am not closing
30
my
seconds.
eyes. No.
Or okay, I'll just leave the frame and come back.
No.
Just
You
30
don't. Okay, I'll close my eyes, but you scare me. This is what I was worried about. How can I close my eyes?
Yeah,
on my
you have to start the scare before. Okay, but don't open the eyes until I say so. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, close and no peeking.
How honest do I need to be over here? I never cheat any which ways. I'm a very nice girl. I like never cheat. I literally
Bollywood,
cheated from the
obviously,
chat,
India.
yaar.
I never cheat.
Can I open my eyes? Can I peek? Are you there? Is he there? Can I peek a little bit? Have you just like made me close my eyes and left my stream and everybody will leave now? Okay, no, he's not. What was the point of me closing my eyes if he was anyway going to leave? I'll close my eyes before he walks in again.
Hey, you didn't open your eyes, right?
No, I did not open my eyes.
I never cheat.
Hey,
Wait,
come on, that was.
I
you
did
ruined the
not.
trick. Okay,
My,
yes.
my eyes are closed. Look,
Yes.
closed. Can I open it now?
I'm here finally. One sec. I wanted to do this Doctor Strange, yeah, kind of. Yes, yeah, this was my costume. My favorite is your hairstyle, so I would say nice hairstyle. Like, there's this one magic I never understood. Like,
Others
what
you
is the
understood.
magic? Yeah, mostly. At least I can pretend to understand. But like, what is the magic for looking so pretty all the time?
Oh, it's in the genes.
Jeans,
There's no-
yeah?
It's in the genes. It's just in the gene.
Yeah, but okay, if people say I'm awesome, I'm like, yeah, thank you, it's all me. Like, I just take it like this.
People don't say I'm awesome. They say I'm cute. I'm like, okay, I don't have a skincare routine, or that I sleep in time, or I eat really well, or anything. There's no contribution
So,
of my
without
own.
doing none of this, you'll still look so stunning, yeah?
It's
Oh my
just my
God.
parents. They just, I have the best of their, I just took the best part of them, and the remaining I gave it to my brother.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we going to do today? I'll tell you. Other than all the flirting that's going to happen. Okay, what do you think we should play? I'm not playing chess with AD. I mean, what is wrong with you guys? If playing chess with him is like the worst thing I would do.
Yeah, guys, if she wanted to play chess, she can just get some boring guy, yeah, like Chemil Chan. Like, why should I come?
We are going to play Connect 4, guys. We are going to
Okay.
play Connect 4. I like how you're sweating right now.
Yeah, I'm just very nervous. I was not expecting.
Why are you nervous?
Yeah, I didn't expect this much beauty.
I should.
Yeah.
I just read a comment today about myself. Suhani, you smile, we smile. You laugh, we remove the earphones. Okay, just join the game. I'm waiting for you.
Ah, wait. Oh, sorry.
AD,
sorry.
you're making a lady wait. What is this behavior?
Oh, no. I would never do that. Sorry.
It's
Suhani's
anyway.
fan is winning.
Arey yaar, you already here. So, it's anyway a good day for my channel, AD.
Oh, thanks.
What else I want? What else I want in my life? AD is on my channel. I'm gonna be so
Yeah.
happy. I'm gonna get such good sleep tonight.
Yeah, actually, okay, I am never used to this counter flirt, so this is nice. Generally, I'm the one flirting, and everyone's scared. But
For those who do not know the game, guys, it's called Connect 4. Some people also call it 4 in a row. If you play here, I play above that and win.
so you had like multiple.
Exact. So that's the game. That's the game. That's how we start. Okay, so you know what? We wouldn't count this if you want. I'm just being kind to you, you see, because I'm a kind person.
No, I'm not like Joel or Same, so we can't count this.
I like that.
What is Susha? That's your nickname.
Susha is Suhani Shah in short. Susha.
Yeah. Hey, are you related to Sagar Shah?
No, I'm not related. I am not. Okay,
Okay.
guys, take this. I am not related to Sagar Shah. I am not related to Amit Shah. I am not related to Nasiruddin Shah. I'm only related to CK Shah, who's my father.
Yes, this game. Let's hope I can win.
I'm a very sore loser, AD. If I lose, I'll cry.
I want to see that. Probably not the answer you were expecting, yeah? Somehow I need to find the balance between rage and serenity.
Today, everything is going to go ulta for AD. He does not know how to react to counter flirting, so that's going to happen today. He has always won in all this tactic and strategic games, so that also I'm going to try and go ulta today. Let's see how this goes, guys.
I'm on the show. I have already won everything in life. I don't need to win anything more. Yes, I won. How
Wait,
did I
what?
win?
How did you
Yes,
win?
I won.
Wait, no!
I won. Yes.
How did you
Yes, I
win?
won. Yeah, you were busy. Yeah.
I was busy with my...
God. Yeah, even I was not planning for that. Suddenly I won.
No! That's
Okay,
not...
let's play again, yeah? Okay,
You were-
guys, this is the one.
You were not
This is the
supposed to
one game-
win, or at least not win this early.
Yeah, but I'm Suhani's fan, so it's okay if I win.
No. I thought you should win at least after 4-5 wins of mine. Yay!
Okay, yeah.
If you would have put on the second row, then I was compulsory had to put on the above that, and then you would have won above that. But now no, you're still.
Yes! Yes! Yes, I found it. Hey, someone is calling.
Sure.
Yes! Okay, one sec, yeah, just one sec.
Go ahead.
Arey, VD. Hey, what's up? Hey, I won, VD, I won. Arey, what you're watching? Check the stream. I am crushing her. Like, literally. It's all fine. It's all part of the charm, yeah? It's like you have to give her hope and then take it away.
Sorry.
Really, yeah, he was so afraid I'll mess up that he just wanted to show the winning move, yeah. But okay.
Acha,
Finally, I
okay.
figured it out. Finally, I figured it out on my own by mistake, yeah.
Guys, these grandmasters are against me. This is not fair.
So he was like, okay, Eddie, this game is not important for you, but staying on a good side is very important. So if you have to lose, you lose.
I'm not going to get distracted. I have to win this.
In your dreams, I would say to a normal guy, but to you, may all the luck be with you, Your Highness. Wait, what? You are way too focused, even like not listening to my flirt attack. Okay, I'm stopping this. No. This is bad. Bad. VD, what did you do? VD boy.
You keep me all distracted with all your comments. That's why I was losing. If I focus well, I win. Okay, your turn it is. Guys, it's 3-2.
Hey.
The one who reaches 7 first wins the game. So if I'm not streaming or if I'm not working, I'm either reading or I'm spending time with my pet or with my...
Yeah, thanks for that.
Okay, wait.
That's, guys, the shortest game in Connect 4 history, I think.
I don't want to play. He's just distracting me. I'm talking about my pet and my parents and I'm going. Bye.
Okay, yes, guys. I think the force is with me.
But this is not done, yeah. I'm not talking to you now when I'm playing. I'm just not talking only. I'm gonna stay on mute. That was not even like a loss. That was.
Yeah, that was just... Wait, was the stupidest move, yeah, probably.
That was a move
That's
to make me win.
Yes, that's why I did it.
Mm-hmm.
Janta, there should be a strategy. And that strategy should involve mind games, flirting, trash talking, and lastly, some Connect 4 tactics.
So far, you have won by getting me distracted only.
Yeah, that's what I should do.
Yeah.
That is my only way.
So I am not getting distracted anymore. Is my strategy.
Just next, I am playing like very positional, like how Jamil plays chess.
Okay, let's finish this. I'm winning the last game and then game over. Chalo. Awkward dance incoming, guys. I win.
Are you dancing?
Yeah, that's the whatever.
Awkward dance.
AD won the hearts. Eh? What?
By losing to you on purpose.
I'm going to put up on my Instagram today. I defeated Grandmaster AD.
Then I'll tag Jamil, yeah? Then I'll tag Jamil and just like, okay, Jamil, you lost to someone who lost to Sugani. So technically I won anyway.
I'm going to do the 4-card
Okay.
trick with you. Guys, I forgot to inform him to get cards. I just like how chat reminds me.
This is so irresponsible.
Am I irresponsible? That is what you're telling about me. I didn't think you'll say this about
No,
me.
I'm just looking.
AD,
like, oh, this...
I thought when I'll go wrong, you'll be there to support me. You'll stand by me. I didn't think you'll tease me. So take any 4 card
Okay,
that you
wait.
want. Any 4 card.
You know cards?
Okay, AD, here's what you have to do. Listen carefully. I'm training you for marriage. So what happens in a marriage? You have to follow instructions really well. Okay? That is if you want a successful marriage, all you need to do you need to be very good at listening to and following instructions. That's it.
No, but I know the main trick, like that she's always right.
Exactly.
Yeah. So
The girls are always right. Here's what you have to do. Close them. Keep them together.
okay, yes.
Take the first card.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, if you followed the instructions well, AD, then when you open them, all 4 cards need to be in your direction.
Arey, this third card is tricking me. Arey, guys.
That's the magic, AD. It never happens with you. It only happens for me.
I was like, why is this third card always not nice? Okay. I was like, yeah, okay, maybe I'm not good for magic. Okay, now after all this costume, I thought, okay.
You're not good for following instructions. You need more training. Thank you, AD. You are the real beast. You've been so humble and so sweet. Thank you so much for just taking the invite and joining the stream. You were very sweet. Thank you so much.
And thanks. Like, okay, and like you look always so pretty. So it was like an honor to come on the show.